So, I just got my Ford Ranger painted with paint mixed with bed liner. Kind of interesting. But the air conditioning is not working really well. So, gonna get the coolant with some stop leak. Got the hose with a little pressure gauge on it. And gonna start it up. So when you do this, you're going to want to have your air conditioning on max, and it doesn't really matter if you have this on high or not. I'm going to leave it on high because this won't affect what's coming through the hoses. But this isn't going to affect what's coming through the hoses. It's just going to have a breeze in here that you can tell if it's working or not. It takes just a few minutes to drain the can, so you can hook up the hose before or after you start the truck. So I'm just going to start the truck. This is a 98 Ford Ranger, but this is the way you can do it up to a Ford like F-150 from 98 to maybe 2012. So let's get started. And we're gonna raise the hood, release the hood. This would have been easier two-handed. Okay, get that up. And this is what you're going to want to undo. Yeah, just unscrews. Put it somewhere where you won't lose it. That's going to set mine right there. Get your can. Okay, it's not this end, even though it looks like it goes on there. This is the end that goes on the truck. This is the end that goes on. So you can see it screws on. So just turn the can. Just turn the can until it screws on tight. Okay, it's on tight. Then we're going to go over here. And we're going to lift this up and then put it on and then let it go. And then it'll be hooked on. So, lift up. Okay, it's on tight. Now, you're going to screw this down. You're going to screw this down, which will puncture the can. And let the coolant, refrigerant go through the hose. Okay, and it'll start feeling cold. Turn it upside down. No idea what the clicking is. A lot of the hoses don't have this little gauge. And you just leave it like that. Go around and see if we can feel any cooler. It's definitely feeling much, much cooler than it was. Before it was just barely cool, and now it's feeling cold. And it may take the whole can, may not, depending on how much is in there. Okay, the can is really cold. It's feeling more and more empty. It's just about done. It's nice and icy cold inside the truck. Okay, it's feeling pretty empty. So I'm going to back this off just a little bit. Because it didn't seem to be going in when I had it all the way in. But now it is. Okay, that'll do it. And she's done. And this is empty. Just have to unscrew this. One-handed. Chuck this in the garbage because it's empty. And put that back in the house if you need it again. Ooh-wee, man, that is cold now. Exactly what I was hoping for. I just drove almost 4 hours the other day and this was not cold, and it was not a great day because it's hot outside. But this is nice and icy. You can even keep your drinks cold. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you watching.